আজকে আমাদের দুইটা ব্যাচের 100% অ্যাওয়ার্ড গিভিং সেরেমনি সাথে সার্টিফিকেট গিভিং সেরেমনি আছে। You have done a spoken course, right? Yes. You have learned only English language. But if you go for IELTS, you have to learn speaking, reading, writing, and listening. That means you have to learn depth of English language. Do you make understand?
Yes, sir.
So if you take IELTS preparation, don't need to sit for IELTS exam if you don't go abroad. But thing is that your proficiency will be 100% okay. Okay? So speaking, you're very good at speaking, but you're not that much good at listening. You have to listen.
Yes.
Okay. You have to write. You have to read. Okay. There's a combination of English language. Okay. English fantasy is open for you. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Good journey. Thank you so much. Bishesh kore sir you. আজকের দিনে তারা সার্টিফিকেট পেতে যাচ্ছে, তারা খুবই হ্যাপি। তারা 2 মাসের কোর্স করে কতটুকু ইমপ্রুভ করতে পেরেছে, তাদের মানে ফিলিংসটা কেমন, আজকে আমরা একসাথে শুনবো। আদৌ কি তারা ইংরেজি শিখতে পেরেছে কিনা, কথা বলতে পারে কিনা, তাদের স্যাটিসফ্যাকশনের লেভেল কতটুকু, সবকিছু আমরা জানবো। চলুন তাহলে আমরা একসাথে এই জার্নিটা দেখবো। How was your journey with English fantasy?
Alhamdulillah, it is very fantastic for me.
Are you happy with English fantasy?
Yes, sir, of course, I am happy, very happy.
Learn many things from English fantasy, and it's interesting, so much interesting.
Have you enjoyed your class?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving us such a wonderful place.
Well, sir, alhamdulillah, I'm very feeling well great, and now it is a very amazing. It's our fantasy, and now, yeah, alhamdulillah, it is very good.